Hello everyone. Nowadays we may see in every nutritional diet or in every health tips, every nutritionist, certified nutritionist, they are advising jaggery instead of sugar. We know the reason why they are advising, because even in our ancestors days we were using jaggery only, but later it was turned to sugar. But again now we are going back, again they are advising jaggery only. So today my session will be on same topic, that is which one is good for our health, whether sugar or jaggery, which one is good and why they are turning to jaggery. Welcome back to Dr. Meenakshi's Medica. This is Dr. Meenakshi, BMS MD IU, Ayurvedic pediatrician. So why our nutritionists are advising to have jaggery instead of sugar? One of the reason jaggery is gaining a popularity nowadays is that they have the more nutrition value than a refined whole sugar, and also it claims to have the various health benefits like improving the digestive system, improving the immune system, and have the good calories and have the nutrition like we can treat or we can prevent the anemia, and it have the property or content like it will help in liver detoxification and also improve overall our health. But though the jaggery is having nutritional value better than sugar, then too we should have in a small quantity because of its high calorie level. It have a very high calorie level. So because of that reason we should have in less quantity, and also especially the diabetic people should avoid jaggery. So according to the healthline.com, by replacing your sugar with jaggery, you will get a extra nutrition to your body or for your health. So now you may be having question that can we eat jaggery daily basis on daily? Yeah, obviously yes, it's recommended to have jaggery in your routine daily diet, but how much you should have, that is it is recommended to have 10 grams of jaggery daily after meals to maintain your nutritional value in your body. And now you all may be having question that which jaggery is good, right? In some 2 to 3 varieties of jaggery, the palm jaggery is good for health, and also the dark brown color jaggery is good for health. Next question everyone will be having in mind, that is jaggery better than sugar in tea, right? Certified nutritionist explains that jaggery can be a great replacement to sugar in tea, because due to its simple processing, and jaggery retains lots of natural properties in its because of the simple processes. So hence it will be a good replacement of sugar in a tea, so that the person will be healthy. Next question everyone will be having in mind is brown sugar and jaggery are same, right? I think I chose the questions which everyone common most of the people will be having in mind, hope so. And yeah, our question was, is brown sugar and jaggery are same? The unrefined sugar is nothing but jaggery, and the refined one of sugar is the brown sugar. Brown sugar will be refined and processed and packed, but whereas jaggery is unrefined form is known as jaggery. And also jaggery is regarded as vegan, and the brown sugar is not a vegan. So you can choose which is better for you. And this was a small topic or small explanation about jaggery and sugar, and I chose some 2 to 3 common questions everyone will be having about jaggery. If you have any other questions about jaggery, you can comment in the comment section box. And another one last question for you all, that now trending in our recipes or in our health tips, instead of sugar and jaggery, another one fruit form is trending one, right? Which is that you can say it is nothing but our dates syrup, right? in the form of dates syrup or in the form of dates pulp, they are adding sweetness instead of sugar and jaggery, right? So what you all may be guessing that is that this date syrup is better than sugar and jaggery. If you want about this, or if you want the topic about this date syrup, which one is good in these three, you can comment in a comment section box. I'll go through and I'll make a video on it. Thank you.